Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 28th, 2021. Today is going to be our first time doing a stock price prediction for Farmmi. You guys can see that this particular penny stock is one that has been garnering a lot of attention, right? Look at the volume over the last month or so, month and a half. We've seen an increase in volume. Now, we need to pay attention to these things because it lets us know that the volatility, that the market is active, and that people are trying to come in and make money off of Farmmi. So I wanted to come in today doing price predictions to see if there is a play. It might not be a play. It might not be any opportunity here into the market at Farmmi, which is cool. We just find another market to make money from, right? So if you guys want to learn more, if you guys just at least want to have a heads up as to where we're predicting price to go, make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. You will learn a whole lot about how the market really works from this channel. So make sure you keep it locked in here. So real quick, like I said, over the last month and a half or so, Farmmi stock has saw an increased amount of volume. Now, what's been going on, right? When we look at all this volume over the last month and a half, I mean, what has price done though? We are still trading well below 50 cents. Is this market trying to go up, or is the market trying to go down? We need to figure that out, right? Because if there's a play for us to see Farmmi go up, I mean, when you want to know about it? So let's see this real quick, because all we really need to do is look at varying time frames to see how the chart looks to get a gauge as to whether or not the market is buying or if they're trying to offload their positions in Farmmi, right? So let's see this. Want to see if a major move is coming into the market in Farmmi, right? So this is the 2-day time frame, right? So let's just focus in on this time frame right here, okay, in Farmmi. So back in May, we saw a massive breakage from 79 cents, 80 cents, all the way down to where we opened to 30 cents. And we haven't been able to go back up to 80 cents yet, right? Cool, we get it. Now, what do you think is going on though, since we broke down below 80 cents to trade around 30 cents? The high we got was right here on June the 9th, 2021 on this 2-day price barter where the market went as high as 66 cents, right? What do you think the market really is trying to do in Farmmi? Let's look at this on the 3-day time frame. Okay, because right here on the 3-day time frame in Farmmi, we can tell how the price is trying to go up, right? We're not going to be oblivious to the fact that the market is trying to go up in price. But when we say go up, okay, I don't want you all to think that I'm saying price needs to hit $3. Price needs to hit $1.50. No. Simply meaning we can see the price go up to 50 cents, 60 cents, and that's about it, right? Let's not get overextended. Let's not get overexcited and think that the market in Farmmi is about to do a massive breakout that is going to make all of us filthy rich, right? Not yet, at least. Okay, so let's look at this on the 5-day time frame into the market in Farmmi, because in actuality, right, from my perspective, this market in Farmmi is going to go up, or at least have the prospect to go up, as long as the price trades above 30 cents, right? As long as that's the case, then this market is either consolidating, meaning that the market is trying to buy up as much Farmmi as possible before the market breaks out, or 2, the market's going to go up. So it's pretty much like a timing aspect, right? That's something that I can't do, is time to where the market in Farmmi is going to break out, because over the last 5 days, this 5-day price bar right here still lets me know that there's still some sellers here. So the market doesn't look like it's primed to break out right now, but from our perspective, when you do predictions, you still want to be in position. So when it happens, we can sit back and just smile and say, yeah, we already knew that Farmmi was going to go up in price, right? We don't want to be late to the party. In order for us to win, in order for us to be competitive in the markets, we got to be in position. It's just that simple. So from my perspective, as long as the price in Farmmi stays above 30 cents, I'm looking for the price to do this, right? I'm looking for it to consolidate still and increase the chance of us seeing the price go up. Okay. Now, with that being stated, this area right here is restriction 2. So you guys remember where I said I'm not going to play you and say that the market in Farmmi is going to break out to $2, $3, nothing like that, because we cannot even see the price in Farmmi break above this area here, which is around 50 cents, right? We're not seeing that. That's the first hindrance. That's the first block to where we need to overcome for us to see the price go up. Simple, right? So let's check this out on the monthly time frame, since we're about to conclude in the month of October. So, I mean, the last 2 months, which is inclusive of September, is not that bad. I mean, we're seeing the market in Farmmi really hold this area tight, meaning that the buyers in the market in Farmmi is really trying to take advantage and buy up this particular stock right now. They're trying to keep the market elevated. They don't want to drop the price below 30 cents. This is what the last 2 months mean with all of this high volume, is that the market is filling the bags, right? So let's look at this on a 5 months time frame and see what we got. So this is Farmmi here on the 5 months time frame, and the last 5 months, I'm gonna keep it real, looks weak, right? The last 5 months, which started January of this year, the market in Farmmi was able to go all the way up there towards $3, but we closed on 43 cents. That's how the first 5 months of this year started. Now, all this volume is appearing right now, right? All of this volume in Farmmi is appearing right now over the last 5 months, which started in June. But look at the spread, right? Look at this 5 month price bar spread versus the last one. What do you think is going on right now in Farmmi? With all of this high volume and small spread, it tells me that somebody is really trying to consume as much Farmmi as possible. This is what's going on. Now, if that's the case, there's no guarantee that the market's going to shoot up tomorrow, that the market's going to shoot up the day after that. But we understand as to what the process is. These market participants in Farmmi is buying up this stock on these very low prices. Okay. So let's do this real quick. Let me see what the market did on an hourly time frame, because currently you guys can see it here that the market in Farmmi is trying to stay above this hourly ascending line, which is important, right? We would like to see the market hold this. We would like to see that. Now, currently today, we would get that answer if we're going to break this ascending line. So keep that in mind too. Okay, let me show you that too. Because right now on a 3 hour time frame, yeah, the market does look kind of weak. This is the hour time frame. Market looks kind of weak, right? But it doesn't look weak to the point to where there's not the chance to see this price in Farmmi go up, right? We might see it come down to 34, 32 and bounce and move up from there, right? Now, this is what I'm going to do, because all in all, what I'm seeing into the market in Farmmi is that the market is trying to buy and that the buyers are present in this space. So I'm going to play the strength into the market in Farmmi in anticipation to see the price go up, right? Now, as long as this price in Farmmi holds 30 cents, okay, we're going to play the strength into the market, right? We're going to expect the market to go up in Farmmi. Now, we got the basis, we got the support. We're looking at that. At what point will we need to offload and take the bag? At what point will we need to come in and take the profitability out the market? First spot is right here. All right. Let me zoom in so you all can see it. 40 cents. That's the first spot. 40 cents. We need to come in and eat out the market. That's about 11.25%. We'll take that because we understand that that's the closest area of us getting rejected and coming back down in price. Second area is going to be 45 cents. That's 25% profitability. And then lastly, it's right there around 50. Okay. So these are the three areas that we are going to watch Farmmi's price. Now, granted, if you're trying to hold this spot for the long term, then that's on you. But currently this market here, from my perspective, from what I'm seeing on the varying time frames and from the price bars, is it doesn't look like it's ready to do that just yet, right? But as I see the strength and the market move higher and higher, and we still get strength around 50 cents, then yeah, that lets me know that we're going to continue to move up in price. Okay. And outside of 50 cents, the next buy location is going to be 60. We're going to be like 10 cents increments of us seeing this price in farming go up, right? So let me put this back on the daily so you all can see this a little bit better as to what our expectations are. Let me move this in closer. All right, bring this in closer so you all can see what we are expecting the market to do in farming right there. Okay. So this is it. This is my price prediction. This is what I'm expecting the market to do in farming. Now it's your turn. Let me know. Hit me up. Drop me your price prediction right now in the comment section of this video and tell everyone else what your thoughts are. Like, where are you seeing the price in farming go over the next 2 to 3 weeks? Okay. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different. Now, let me go before I let you all go. See how the market spread ended yesterday. So I can kind of expect us going down initially based off the spread and the VAR that came into the market yesterday in farming. So from out the gate, if we see the price come down to 34, 32, I already can see that because of what happened yesterday into the market. But as long as price stays above 30 cents, we know what to expect. All right. So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.